Here are 10 top tips on how to make money online. 1. Identify your skills and passion. Determine your strengths and interests to find online opportunities that align with your expertise. 2. Research online income methods. Explore various avenues such as freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, affiliate marketing, and more. 3. Build an online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a website, blog, or social media platforms to showcase your skills and attract potential clients or customers. 4. Select a profitable niche. Find a specific niche where you can offer unique value and cater to a target audience. 5. Develop your skills. Continuously improve your skills through courses, tutorials, or online resources to stay ahead of the competition. 6. Start freelancing. Join reputable freelancing platforms and create a compelling profile to attract clients who are seeking your skills and services. 7. Create and sell products. Leverage your expertise to create digital products, physical goods, or services that provide value to your target audience. 8. Monetize your content. If you enjoy creating content, consider monetizing your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms through ads, sponsorships, or product promotions. 9. Build an email list. Collect email addresses from interested visitors and customers to cultivate a loyal audience and promote your products or services directly. 10. Scale and diversify. Once you've found success with one method, consider scaling your efforts or diversifying your income streams by exploring additional opportunities. Remember, making money online requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. It's important to adapt to the ever-changing online landscape, stay informed about the latest trends, and be willing to experiment and adapt your strategies. Once again, thanks for watching.